Hey folks, guess what? I'm moving a Flair 91 Ultra Baseball right here. These are kind of, I'm sorry, go too fast for you guys. There you go. These come with stickers. That was their style back in the day. So here's the stickers, Expos. So over a team, unless you say that, could be a collector's item. I don't know how many they made. Or it's an evil checklist. Well, these look cool. Most checklists. So let's see what kind of teams or players I can recognize. No, Eric. This guy was Ozzie Gidding was the yeah, with the White Sox. No, he's not with the White Sox, but he used to manage the White Sox. But he had a good career for an infielder. Oh, Hall of Famer. No, he's not a Hall of Famer. I always get this guy mixed up with a Hall of Famer. With a rookie card. Not a Hall of Famer. Ivy. For some reason, Gavin. I always get mixed up with Gavin. A Hall of Famer. You know, with Expos and then the Cubs. Oh, there we are, Hall of Famer. So this was a look in the back, front, back. This is a really cool picture. That's a really cool picture. I like that kind of picture. You know, a picture like this, the background should have to, like that. Let's double check. Missing cards. This guy was a top-notch rookie, but he didn't really did anything. Got a bunch of rookies. I don't see any cards worth mentioning. So here it is. Good measuring. Good measuring. Rookie. So let me know what you like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. How we do better doing this, and please like and subscribe. That'll help my channel a lot. Please be kind. I'm in the hospital.